Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create clean server from SQL Server to Oracle Database, or we also call it the database link. By create the database link from SQL Server to Oracle Database, you can query Oracle data inside the SQL Server instance. Before we do configure, we need to check on the database server host. We will need to have SQL Server Database. We also need Oracle Database Client installed on the same host with the database server. Then we need to have TNS configuration to connect to Oracle Database. Besides that, we also need SQL Server Management Studio or any alternative tool to install on the same host with database server or any client host to connect to SQL Server. This is my database server, SQL Server database host. I have SQL Server Service. The version is 2022. Then I also install Oracle client on this host. You can see I can use SQL Plus to connect to the database. You can see the alias here. Then I can query some table. For example, I can select star from country. Or we can list the list of table from this schema. I had the list of table is the list of 9 table here. Okay, I'm ready to configure database link. So I start SQL Server Management Tool. Then I connect to SQL Server instance. You can see on the left, on the server object, you can expand it. Then we can see link server. Here the list of provider. You can see Oracle right here. On the property dialog box, I will check on the allow inference nested query, then support like operator. So now we can close this. We go back to clean server, then create the clean server. You can use any name for the link server. For example, I will use the name is SQL Server 2_Oracle. In the provider, I will use Oracle provider. The most important one here is the Oracle alias, or we can call it TNS name. We will put it in a data source name. Then provider, we can put here Oracle. Next, go to the security tab. We will need to provide the username and password to connect to Oracle database. Okay, then we can close it. You can see here we have the link server, SQL Server to Oracle. Now we can try to get list of table and query some table from here. You can see the list of table For example, if I need to query data from the table country, I can use the SQL Server script to create the query. Look at the generated query. We can see how we can call the object inside the database link. You can see the generator in this case is not very smart. It gets duplicated column name. So let's make it simple. We just query select star from the object. So we can see here we have 4 countries. If you compare with the one we query directly from the SQL Plus, we can see the result is the same. You can try to query from any other table. For example, I can query from table employee. So what I say now is the database link is working properly. Thank you and see you on the next video.